Hey ladies and gentlemen, hey, so I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company. We are your favorite custom glueless lace wig store, conveniently located in Culver City, California. If you're not able to come visit our store, we're also at www.magichaircompany.com, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at Magic Hair Co. Okay, so we have the best human hair glueless lace wigs, hands down, and nobody can tell me any different. So here is one of our kinky straight wigs. This is straight out the package, so that's why it doesn't look absolutely fabulous, but once we hit it with the flat iron, it's going to be good to go. You see we have a natural hairline. All of our wigs are free parting in the front up to 6 inches, and that hairline looks fabulous. The knots are already bleached for you, so no, you don't have to take your wig to your stylist days ahead of time so she can bleach it and pluck the hairline. All wigs from Magic Hair Company, that is already done for you. There's nothing additional your stylist needs to do except for install the wig if you want, because our wigs are glueless. They don't need any glue or adhesive. They just, go right on your head, and they're easy to wear. Great for my older ladies that don't want to learn how to use all this glue, which glue is actually really terrible for you anyways. It just rips out that precious hairline of yours. So stop using the glue. If you really need to adhere your wig, just use a little bit of wig spray, and that's all you need. So shop with us online, like, comment, follow, subscribe, make an appointment to come shop with us in store. We can help you with your medical reimbursement, and we have the best wigs. I've had my store in Culver City for the last 10 years, and we absolutely have the best. See, this is me showing off my glueless hairline there. My wigs are not glued down and still secure. Like, follow. Okay, bye.